decided to have them swap spaces and organize each other's lives, or at least an area of each other's lives. Gretta tackled Katie's closet. Oh, God bless Katie. Katie got the luck of tackling Gretta's kitchen. Let's see what happened with the girls. Watch this.
Oh my God. I was here a week ago. I think it's gotten worse.
There are bags and there are things down here. You literally have to climb in here. This just doesn't work. I gotta fix this, Katie.
Oh, that little bag of Cheerios. I wonder how long this has been around. Who knows? When I'm decluttering, I like to have an empty box around for throwing out and donating. When in doubt, throw it out. Stale crackers, no thanks. I better watch it because she is in my closet and it's hard to tell what's in there.
So before I can organize this closet, I have to take an inventory. Keep, store, and donate. Ooh, woo, woo! I guess I didn't have to take that down. Wish me luck. Ooh. Oops, it's stuck in the corner. Hang on. Out you go.
Everything's out, now it's time to go container store crazy. I got these little insertable shelves so you can see everything. I like to see it all. So one of the things I like to do is kind of map out my organization. So I took all of my container store containers and put them on the shelf before I filled them up so I know what fits, and then I can kind of think about what I want to put where. This is what happens when things are just hidden in the fridge. Mold. So I got these great bins. I put all the cheese in one section, deli meat bin over here, and I noticed a lot of chocolate throughout this fridge. So I got one bin to put all the chocolate in. Secret chocolate stash, not so secret anymore.
This is now going to be Katie's accessory closet and a place where she has tons of shelves for all those things that she was hanging and cramming on the bars. When you have overcrowding in a closet, sometimes you forget how much you have of a good thing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fill the main closet with all the things that Katie wears the most, so that when she goes in there, she can grab them first. So I want Katie to use her hangers facing in when she first starts, so you can see my entire closet is set up that way. When you return them to your closet, have the hanger facing out. Because this way, at the end of the season or year, you're gonna be able to see the hangers that are inward. You never wear those clothes, so perhaps they should come out and go into the donation pile. You wanna color coordinate your closet for quick, easy finding of everything. Then she can walk in, grab it, and she's good to go. Are you ready?
I've never had anything like this. I'm so excited.
Okay, open up. Oh my God! Isn't it amazing? I'm like, turn around and see.
There's more.
I know, huge change, right?
I'm not worthy.
Yes, you are.
I love it.
I'm excited.
You ready?
Really excited. Oh, I love it. It looks like yours.
Yeah. I got rid of all those to-go coffee cups. And in its place,
Oh.
ta-da.
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my God, get out. This is not the same refrigerator. This has been the bane of my existence.